Elon Musk, the tech billionaire, visionary, and the man who never stops pushing boundaries. With a staggering net worth of over $360 billion, Musk has redefined innovation, business, and wealth creation. But have you ever wondered, how does he do it? Today we're diving deep into 4 powerful money lessons you can learn from Elon Musk to build wealth, think big, and take control of your financial future. And trust me, you don't need to be a genius or a billionaire to apply these strategies. 1. Invest boldly. In 1999, Musk co-founded X.com, an online payment platform that later became PayPal. Back then, the internet was still new and online payments were risky business. But Musk believed in it and invested almost everything he had. Fast forward to 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.4 billion. Musk made $100 million from the deal. Most people would have retired and lived a luxurious life, right? But not Elon. Instead of playing it safe, he reinvested everything into 3 bold ventures: Tesla, SpaceX, and Solar City. At one point, he was even borrowing money to pay rent. Rocket. The lesson here? Big rewards come from big risks. Musk teaches us that investing in innovative, high-potential industries can pay off massively. But remember, invest wisely, not recklessly. Lesson 2. Reinvest your profits. Most people take their profits and spend it on luxuries, cars, vacations, or fancy houses. But Musk does the opposite. Every dollar he makes, he reinvests into his mission, revolutionizing space travel, clean energy, and AI. His goal? To make humanity a multi-planetary species. Sounds crazy, right? But look where it's gotten him. This teaches us a critical money lesson. Don't just save, reinvest. Whether it's in your business, skills, or stocks, keep your money working for you. That's how wealth grows. Lesson 3. Think outside the box. Elon Musk doesn't just follow trends, he creates them. He questions everything. Why are rockets so expensive? Why can't electric cars be cool? Why should we sit in traffic when we can dig tunnels underground? The result? Companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and The Boring Company, worth billions. The lesson here? Don't be afraid to challenge the norm. Whether it's in business, investing, or even your personal finances, question everything and look for smarter ways to do things. Lesson 4. Branding is king. Love him or hate him, Musk is a marketing genius. From Tesla's S3XY car models to The Boring Company, his branding is fun, memorable, and attention-grabbing. He even turned Occupy Wall Street into Occupy Mars to promote SpaceX. And let's not forget, he sold 50,000 flamethrowers just for fun. The key lesson? Your personal brand matters. Whether you're building a business or a career, how people see you can make all the difference. Final thoughts. So, what can you take away from Elon Musk's money mindset? Small blue diamond, invest boldly, but wisely. Small blue diamond, reinvest your profits and keep growing. Small blue diamond, think outside the box and challenge the norm. Small blue diamond, branding is everything. Make yourself unforgettable. Success doesn't happen overnight, but if you apply these lessons, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Rocket, drop a comment below. What's your favorite money lesson from Elon Musk? See you in the next video.